Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade using a blender. It's a quick and easy method to enjoy a refreshing drink. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: fresh lemons, cold water, and granulated sugar. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. You'll also want a fine mesh strainer and a pitcher handy for the final steps. This process will yield about 6 servings of wonderful homemade lemonade. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the star of the show, the lemons. Take about 4 to 6 medium-sized lemons and wash them thoroughly under cool water. Next, carefully cut each lemon into quarters or even eighths. This makes them much easier for your blender to process. It's also a good idea to remove any visible seeds at this stage, as they can add an unwanted bitter taste to your refreshing drink. This simple preparation ensures a smooth blend. With your lemons prepped, it's time for the magic to happen in the blender. Carefully add your cut lemons, along with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water into the blender pitcher. Secure the lid tightly. Now, blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture appears smooth and frothy. You can always taste a small amount and add a little more sugar if you prefer a sweeter lemonade. This step is quick and easy. Almost there. The final steps ensure a perfectly smooth and refreshing lemonade. Carefully pour your blended lemon mixture through a fine mesh strainer directly into a serving pitcher. Use a spoon or spatula to press down firmly on the pulp, extracting every last drop of that delicious lemon juice. Discard the remaining pulp. For the best taste, chill your homemade lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving it over plenty of ice. Enjoy your refreshing creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.